Give it time. I know that I'm not easy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the viral miracle knot crochet hairstyle, guys. Okay, like this hair is trending. It is everywhere. I open my TikTok, I'm seeing it. I'm on Instagram, I'm seeing this hair. Like it is just everywhere. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Okay, I'm going to do a tutorial. Okay, this video is a tutorial on how to do the viral miracle knot hairstyle. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to braid your hair. Okay, braid your natural hair without braid extension. Okay, you're not using any braid extension to braid your hair. It's just your natural hair that you are braiding. All right, now after braiding, this is what we have. Okay, very simple and neat. All right, now the hair I'm going to use for this hairstyle is from ULAHAIR. I have their invisible coily feather crochet hair extension in length 16. Okay, and you guys, when I saw this package, that it means I came with this package, I was so happy. The lashes, you guys, I love it. Okay, and of course they sent a crochet hook that I'm going to use to make the hair, and I have 2 pack of the coily hair. The coils are really gorgeous, guys. Okay, here's a close look of what the coils looks like. This is it. Okay, really fine. And in a bundle in a pack we have 5 bundles, and each of them, this is what it looks like on a closer look. Okay, this is it. Okay, there's a thread there holding both hair together. And to start this, I'm going to use a crochet to pass it through the hair, but starting from the ends of the hair. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys how to put this the hair on the ends of the hair. Now after using the crochet to pass it in, you want to make sure it is like this, and now you will braid your hair with your human hair together. Okay, just braid it up, and after braiding, there are 2 ways of securing the ends of your hair for this particular style. You can either decide to just braid and leave it like what I did here, just braid it like that and just leave it, or you can decide to braid. After braiding, you will now tie it. Okay, now the more quantity of hair you use, the more full your hair is. Like in this video, I just used 2 pack and it gave me a full hair. But if you want something like bigger than what is in this video, definitely go for 3 packs of the feathered crochet extension. Okay, also you can use this hair over and over and over again. Okay, depending on how you take it down after each style. I've also done a DIY style where I did not use a new human hair extension. Okay, like it was an old hair that I used, and you guys, it came out so beautiful. I'm going to be posting that video really soon, so look out for it, guys. So this is what I have on each braid. 4 coily extension on each braid. Now you can try to put as much as 5, as much as 6, depending on the quantity of hair you have. Okay, I'm working with 2 pack of hair. That is why I'm using 4 on each braid. Now if you have a natural hair, you must make sure that you are braiding your hair with the hair extension together, with the coily hair extension together. But when you're working with a relaxed hair, or if you have a relaxed hair, you can try to just put the crochet the coily hair there and leave it without braiding it. Okay, and it will still stay. All right, and it will still look neat, but you just have to braid. Okay, just braid your hair with the coily hair together, and after which you can tie. Okay, just tie several times so it does not go out. Okay, it does not unravel. All right, now this is what I have. Now you can pull this in as many times as you want, but it's not going to go out. Okay, because it's very secured. For the front part of her hair, I did it like this. All the front part of the hair, this is how I install the coily hair to our head on the front part. All right, now all the details to this hair from ULAHAIR will be in my description box for you guys. Also, do not forget to use my discount code, okay, NKE10 to get extra 10% off. All right, now this is what one pack is looking like so far, so I'm just going to start with the second pack now. And you guys, this hair, it takes time, but not like you're not sitting for 5-6 hours with this hairstyle. Now this is what we have now. Before defining the coils, this is how beautiful this is looking. Really, really gorgeous. I love it. I love this hairstyle. Now to define the coils, I'm using just water and foaming mousse to define these coils. So I'm going to do this in 4 sessions. I'm just going to section my hair in 4 places, spray water on it, and my foaming mousse, and then use my detangling brush to brush this to define the coils and all of that. Okay, now after doing this, I'm going to let this sit for some minutes, okay, to dry. I ended up using my blow dryer to make sure that it dries faster, but if you don't want to use a blow dryer, you can dry this and just stay for a couple of hours for it to dry really well. Okay, after defining the coils, this is how juicy, beautiful, neat, and gorgeous the coils are looking like. I love this. Okay, you can tell that I love this. Okay, it's so fine. Now I'm just going to, shape the front a little bit and trim out the excess at the back, and this is what we have, guys. Okay. Yeah, is how beautiful it is. Okay, this is so fine. The colors are so gorgeous. I love it. You can style this hair whichever way you want to style it. Like, the styles are so endless. And of course, you guys, check the link in my description box to get yours now. Like, quality is top notch. Okay, you don't want to use any hair for this style. Okay, so you just go grab this hair from ULAHAIR and get yours done. Okay, the takedown of this hairstyle is so easy as well. You just have to unravel your braid, just lose your braid, and the coily hair will just fall off. Okay, very easy. Let us know in the comment section what your take on this miracle knot crochet hairstyle is in the comment section. Do not forget to share, like this video, and subscribe to this channel if you are not subscribed already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.